Hey guys, it's Kim here. Welcome to OC Tax Break. I am an enrolled agent and I have my master's in tax law. Now before we talk about the subject, how to deduct almost anything, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more videos like this. How do you deduct almost anything you want? Now the IRS has tax codes and laws, and those can be interpreted in many different ways, and that is the most awesome part of the tax code. The tax code says that a business expense must be ordinary and necessary and in the pursuit of income for it to be deductible. What makes something ordinary? It's something that is ordinary to everybody in your trade or business. So for Uber, it would be mileage, cell phone, stuff that everybody has to use as a deduction. Now, necessary, that is the key word right there, necessary. What does that mean? What is necessary? Well, for me, it might be something different than you or your sister or your friend. And that is where the possibilities open up. How do you define necessary? Now, I had a client who was a UFC fighter, and he was in an audit, and they were trying to disallow a boat. Now, for other people, a boat may not be a necessary expense, but for him, it actually was. So we have to paint a picture to an auditor of why this is a necessary expense for your client or for you or for whoever. How is a boat a necessary expense for a UFC fighter? Are they going on it to party after, their fights? For him, he would actually take this boat in the middle of the ocean and he would get dropped off. And then he would have to swim back to shore and then do it all over again. So for me, I had to paint the picture. This is not actually a boat. This is a training vessel. He uses it to train. Yeah, sometimes he may take people on it for fun, but the reason he bought that boat is for training purposes. Now that is what you need to do to be able to get a deduction. Paint a picture why that expense is necessary for you in the pursuit of income. I have a client who is a model and an actress. Now, for her, she has to look rejuvenated and beautiful, and sometimes she needs bronzing, or sometimes she needs to go get a facial before a shoot, or, spray tan, or whatever it is. Those are necessary expenses for her. So we write off all her facials. We write off all her makeup that she needs to be able to do her job. Her job is looking glamorous. So those outfits that she has, those expensive dresses that she goes to events, those are actually business expenses. And mostly you're not able to deduct stuff like that because you can use it in other parts of your life. But if you're using that in the pursuit of income, that is a write-off. Connect the pieces together. It's like a giant puzzle that the IRS will ask you. What makes this expense go with your income? So say you have a collection that you like. You love collecting Louis Vuitton bags, and you're a social media influencer. How do you deduct that? Put those bags in your posts, because now you're using them as advertisement in your posts to get income. And now your bags, those collection that you're pursuing, that is now a business expense. I mean, how awesome is that to be able to deduct things that you actually love and use it for income purposes too in your business? It just opens the possibilities of being able to deduct pretty much anything you have and anything you love. Make sure you guys to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell so that you guys can see other videos that I have and keep in touch with new and upcoming tax laws. Again, I am not a tax attorney and I am interpreting the code in my own way. So be aware, talk to your tax person, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video.